Alhamdulillah. My dear brothers and sisters, we have made it to another Ramadan. In this sacred month of Ramadan, I want you, yes, you watching this video, to stop what you're doing right now and take action. Open a continual charity account for yourself, known as Sadaqah Jariyah, and magnify its reward up to 700 times by supporting our One Mass Learning Center campaign for our brothers and sisters worldwide. So we're looking for specially chosen people who are prepared to sacrifice just $100 for the sake of Allah. Your donation will be a lifeline for the upliftment of the Ummah. So my dear brothers and sisters, donate at the link below. And please share this video. Jazakumullahu khairan. Barakallahu fikum.